Yo, is this on? It's been a long time since I made a video. Holy cow. But before we start, I definitely want to show you guys this unboxing I have. So, yo, bro, let me tell you guys this. Any Jordan that is GR nowadays, they always go on sale, always. So, patience is the key. Bought this for $130, which is a steal. And I'm very excited to show you guys. On Instagram, Soul Steals, they usually kind of make a announcement on, hey, this shoe is on sale for this much, and it's like 30-40% off, and I shipped it to Oregon, so I got no tax. And just for the look of the box, you should know, for the sneakerheads that know, they should know what box this is. We're just gonna go slow-mo into this, you know? Ooh, Jumpman. I haven't seen this in person yet, so I'm very excited to show you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, these are clean. Bro, if you don't have these in your collection, man, you're a sleeper. Bro, do you see the quality on this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But I have this new series and this new idea that I've been thinking about. It's kind of like a business and just like a hobby aspect of it, and especially with shoes, you could definitely flip the shoe business side of it. And so there's this new beater box, hypebeast type of thing that's going viral on YouTube right now, and I actually purchased one soon. So it should be coming in this week, and I wanted to show you guys what I have in that box. I got it from Shop Kicks for Us, and that's located in San Francisco, and I got in touch with the owner, and you know, we exchanged some messages, and so one box is getting sent to here, and I'm excited to show you guys. And the next video, I definitely want to show you guys a big update on this sneaker wall that I have going on here. But yeah, so I am very sorry I haven't been posting up any videos. I've been lazy, and you know, a little bit more busier, but just I guess more lazy to pick up the camera. But I'm definitely, at least this month, once a week I will post up a video. So 4 to 3 videos this month I will post up for you guys. Alright, catch you on the flip side. I'm excited for the future. Peace.